Alam mo ba na ang pag-ibig ay hindi lang basta deduction sa payslip mo? Madami palang hidden benefits na pwede mong magamit. At hindi lang ito tungkol sa housing loan, meron ding pang business, travel, emergencies, at pang retirement. Here are the 9 benefits of being a pag-ibig member at kung paano mo to magagamit. Yung pang-5, ngayon ko lang nalaman, may ganun pala. Number 1, pag-ibig regular savings. Dito na pupunta ang monthly contributions mo. This is actually your personal savings. Kung employed ka, doble agad yan kasi may contribution din ng employer mo. For employed members, automatically deducted yan sa salary mo. While self-employed and other members can pay over the counter. Number 2, MP2 Savings Program. Kung gusto mong kumita ng mas mabilis ang pera mo, MP2 is a voluntary savings program that allows you to earn tax-free dividends with the rate higher than the regular fund. Good news, you can start this with a minimum savings amounting to 500 pesos. Number 3, Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. Bukod sa pwede mo itong magamit as a valid government ID, Pag-ibig Loyalty Card allows you to enjoy discounts in more than 300 partner establishments like groceries, gas stations, and many more. Pumunta ka lang sa nearest Pag-ibig branch and pay 125 pesos for the card fee. Within the day, makukuha mo na agad ang Pag-ibig Loyalty Card mo. Number 4, housing loan. Ito na yung paborito ng lahat. Up to 6 million pesos ang loan, payable for 30 years at mababa ang interest. Pwede mong gamitin para kumuha ng bahay, condo, or townhouse. Ideal ito for first-time home buyers na pagod ng umupa. Number 5, Pag-ibig Home Equity Appreciation Loan or HEAL. May sariling bahay ka na ba? Alam mo bang you can loan based on your home's net value? Pwede mong gamitin for travel, renovation, panimula sa negosyo, pambayad ng tuition at marami pang iba. Number 6, calamity loan. Kapag nasalanta ka ng bagyo, baha o sunog, may aagapay sa'yo. You can borrow up to 80% of your Pag-ibig savings. Number 7, multi-purpose loan or MPL. MPL is a cash loan that can help you deal with immediate financial needs or emergencies. You can borrow up to 80% of your Pag-ibig regular savings. Madali lang ang requirements para maging eligible ka for MPL. And you can apply online or over the counter. Number 8, Provident Benefits. May Pag-ibig benefits ba for senior citizens after retirement? Pag-ibig Provident Benefits is the answer. As a contributing member, you can get your Pag-ibig savings upon retirement at age of 60, optional, or 65, mandatory. Pwede mo ding i-claim ang Provident Benefits if at least you're 45 years old. Just take note, your contributions must be equal to 20 years or 240 months of contributions to be eligible. Number 9, Pag-ibig Death Benefit. If a Pag-ibig member passes away, yung beneficiaries niya can claim death benefits. Provided na hindi pa nakukuha nung mismong Pag-ibig member yung savings benefits niya nung nabubuhay pa siya. Hindi man ito tulad ng SSS Funeral Aid, malaking tulong pa din ito. Ngayon, alam mo na Pag-ibig is not just about housing. It's also a financial partner for saving, borrowing, and securing